Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, to all those of you that have been engaging with my videos. You guys are awesome. Thanks a lot. And for those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Felix. On this channel, I talk about opportunities abroad. I talk about fully funded scholarships, partial scholarships, no tuition universities, budget-friendly countries, and occasionally I talk about relocation via work route. So if contents like these are what you're in search of, I want to assure you you're on the right channel. All you need to do is just to hit on the subscribe button that is below the video. By so doing, you become a part of the family, and you also will begin to receive notifications each time I upload a new video. Like I always say, relocating abroad sometimes may not be as easy, so all you just need to keep trying and keep trying until it works out. You have to take it like a project. Don't get tired of applying. I understand sometimes we get the admissions, but we don't get scholarships. It is normal. All you need to do is just to keep trying and keep trying until you get it right. It is my earnest prayers for you guys that God is going to grant your heart desires. Okay, today again I bring to us good news of school that offers both fully funded scholarship and partial scholarship. Guys, you don't even need to worry about the partial scholarship. The only thing the partial scholarship does not cover is your tuition fee. And guys, the tuition fee to this particular university is as low as $25. Yes. For undergraduate studies is $25, while for doctoral degree, I think it's about 100 and something dollar. Then for masters, I think it is about $75. Yes, per semester. So that's all you need to bother yourself to pay per semester if you get the partial scholarship. And the good thing about the partial scholarship is you are provided accommodation. So you see, you don't need to bug yourself about accommodation. The difference between the fully funded scholarship and partial scholarship is that for the fully funded, you don't get to pay what do you call it, tuition fees. And guys, whether you are PhD seeking, you are master seeking, you are bachelor seeking, you are qualified, you can apply to this particular university. There is no application fee, there is no IELTS. Even for those of us that have not gotten our passport yet, you can apply with your country's national ID. Yes, it's that simple. So the process is quite simple as well. Within 10 minutes, you can be through with your application. The only thing I'll say maybe a little bit of disadvantage is they have more of undergraduate course. Yes, they have more of undergraduate courses. And this search was inspired by the question that was asked by one of my viewers. I'm going to share it here. He said, "Sir, I am from Nigeria and presently in Nigeria. I need your help with public health or any other health related course scholarship to enable my daughter study abroad in any country, even if it is Africa. Presently, we are struggling financially and my wife is on partial stroke, which makes it difficult to train my children to study. I will appreciate if you can be of help. By God. Hope to hear from you soon for undergraduate degree." Okay, I was moved by this, and I truly wish I had the funds to just support this person, frankly speaking. But what I bring is information. And although public health is not in this course I'll be talking about, but I think there are some alternatives that the daughter can apply for public health. And why I brought this question and why I brought this comment to the public is not for anything. It's so that I understand some of us too, we do our research well. If you know of any public health scholarship programs for undergraduate studies, whether it's within Africa or outside Africa, that a Nigerian can apply to, I will appreciate if you can drop the links to this particular opportunities for public health. I promise to do videos on them as soon as I get them. However, from my search, this is the one I came across, and and there are programs that are related that I think, or one or two programs I think is related to public health. So, like I said earlier, the only good thing is for undergraduate, they have more courses, while for masters and PhD, the courses most of us can apply to are just very few. So, without wasting much of our time, I will go directly into the video. And for those of us with personal issues that want to contact me, my email is fellingtips. Yeah, fellingtips@gmail.com. Please only sensitive questions. And why I am sharing my, of course, my email is on my profile. If you search well, is so that I understand sometimes when we post videos, like person that asks this question may not really get this on time. So if they drop their email, or you can drop your email. Once you drop your email on sensitive issues like this, once I have the time, I'll contact you via email to share information with you. That is the best I can do and offer my prayers. I strongly believe God is going to help every one of us. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, the opportunity we'll be looking at today is the this. Yes, and this is the name of the university here where I'm scrolling. Some of these university are okay, Uni Sunan Ampai Surabaya. Yes, so that's the name of the university we are going to be looking at today. So first and foremost, let's check out the types of opportunities they have in this study. So you come to admissions. Under admissions, I'm going to click how to study at this UNINSA, UNINSA. Yes, so I'll right click that and open in a new tab. And this is it. Now I'm going to scroll down. It says for you international students. Sorry, how to study. So this is how to study. For international students, there are two types of scholarship. There is this one called the regular scholarship, and this one the achievement scholarship. So the regular scholarship is a partial scholarship provided for international students who are accepted to the to this 2024, and the partial scholarship provides for international students who are accepted as the achievement scholarship. I think why it is called partial scholarship is because they don't include your air ticket. So for both the regular scholarship and the achievement scholarship, I don't think they'll be providing you with health ticket. So they said applicants must provide certificates of academic achievement, that is national or international. For example, first winner of national speech competition in Thailand. So this achievement scholarship is meant for those that have achieved something that is unique or spectacular. So if you have some achievement, example something like this, that is of national or international value, then you may want to consider applying for achievement scholarship. Otherwise, you just stick with the regular scholarship. So let's see what the scholarship coverage entails. So it covers registration fee free, so your regular scholarship both free for the academic, for the regular and achievement scholarship. Then training on Indonesian language. Yes, this university is located in Indonesia, so you'll be trained on Indonesian language, and yes for regular scholarship and yes for achievement scholarship. Student accommodation, yes, you'll be provided. If you get the regular scholarship, you'll be provided with free accommodation, and yes, you'll be provided with free accommodation as well for the achievement scholarship. Then culture immersion program, yes for regular scholarship and yes for achievement scholarship. Enhancement programs across disciplinary, that this certificate provided, yes. So you can see the tuition fee for our bachelor's degrees program is $25. So if you get the regular scholarship, you don't need to bug much about tuition fee. For undergraduate, it's just $25. For masters, it is, sorry, earlier on I said 75. I'm sorry about that. So for masters, it is $93 per semester. That's how much you are paying. Then for doctorate, what you are paying is $185 per semester. Why for the regular scholarship? this is waived. Then visa and stay permit, they don't provide you with visa and stay permit. You are the one who is going to apply for that, both for the regular and the achievement scholarship. Airfare, they don't provide you with airfare. That's why they call it partial scholarship. And that's why to them it is not fully funded, because fully funded is supposed to them uh, cover your visa and stay permit. But guys, I don't think this is a bad idea. So to apply for this scholarship, all you need to do is just to hit on the apply button. I'm going to right click that, open in a new tab, and it will bring us to the apply page. So to apply, it's very simple. And admission are open for 29th, since 29th of April to 27th of May. Then 3rd of June, file selection announcement begins. Online interview 10th to 11th of June 2024, and final announcement will be made 24th of June 2024. So apply by May and get your final announcement of whether you are accepted, of your acceptance letter. By God's grace, you'll be accepted in Jesus' name. And get announcement of your of get the announcement of your offer letter by 24th of June. So to apply, it's quite simple. All you need to do is enter your full name, you enter your your what do you call it? Your current ID card stroke your passport number. So if ID card is what you have, you enter your ID card. If passport is what you have, you enter your passport number, date of birth, country of birth, nationality, email address, mailing address, then phone number. Then here you select the type of scholarship you're applying for, regular or achievement, the degree you're applying to, bachelor's, master's, or doctoral. Then you choose your program of study. Yes, let's see the program of studies. So for bachelor's, like I said earlier, they have more programs for bachelor's degree. So this university in Indonesia is more bachelor's friendly. So you can see for the person that asks for public health, this is what I saw that was more related to science. That was just natural science education. So if this is good enough for your daughter, she can still give it a shot. She can give it a trial. That's this natural science education. Then they have mathematics education. Then these are the courses you can see. They have more of Islamic courses. Though Bachelor of Islamic Education, you can see Bachelor of Teacher Professional Education, Bachelor of Communication. So all these are more related to Islamic, Bachelor of Islamic, this and that. You can see, yes, they have more of Islamic studies. Uh, Bachelor of Legal Studies for those who want to study law, Bachelor of Religious Studies, and so enough with the bachelors. They have bachelors of Economics, Accounting, Management, Bachelor of Nutrition, Bachelor of Political Science, uh, Bachelor of Sociology. You can see they have lots of bachelor's degree that you can apply to, bachelors of Information Science, and the likes of them. Then for Islamic studies, most of their Islamic studies are more of Arabic religion education, Masters of Studies of Hadith, Master of Islamic Constitutional Law, and the likes of them. Then the doctorate study is also more of Islamic studies. So you have three doctorates or four doctorate studies that are under Islamic studies. So guys, that is it. Then you choose the one you want. Let's say I want to apply for Bachelor's of Communication Science. I select that. Then the next step is to upload this your application degree program. Excuse me, legalized copy of your last diploma. So you need to legalize your diploma, please. And I think most of the time you do this at either the consulate of the embassy in your of Indonesian embassy in your country, or you can do that in a court. But preferably, you can do that in the what do you call it? you can do that at the consulate. Then a copy of your current passport, a copy of your academic transcript, then curriculum vitae. There's a template for curriculum vitae, so please download that. There's also a template for your application degree program. Please download that as well. Then recommendation letter from embassy, consulate, or police clearance certificate. So you need one of these. So if you get a recommendation from the embassy, so if you are going for legalizing, if you will be legalizing your document with the embassy, you can try and see if you can get a recommendation from them, or if you can't, the consulate or police clearance. Then motivation letter, there's a template. Please download the template. Copy of the Ielts or TOEFL. This is absolutely optional. So if you have it, you upload it. If you don't have it, you don't need to bug yourself much about it. Then recent formal photo, and this is the size 4 by 6. Then certificate of achievement for those that will be applying for what do you call it, for oh God, for the achievement scholarship. I don't know if you have professional certifications. I think those can count as certificate of achievement. So, guys, that's it. After you've done that, you just want to hit you are not a robot. Then you submit your application. Guys, I wish you all the best and may God bless you. Thank you.